Okay, I got the timer set up, so it's plugged in. Here's the power going in above my garden hose. The filter's plugged into the timer, and it starts at about 7 o'clock p.m. and it'll end at about 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. So you don't have to mess with that, but if you lift this door up, you're coming in to back flush it. You see the off and on there. If I lift it over the on, it's going to start right up. When it starts right up, give it a second, then you can back flush it. So you just push it on. So now it's going in. So what we have to do is we have to unplug. Unfortunately, this pump doesn't have it on and off. We're going to unplug this. And then we have to take the handle. We turn the handle 180 degrees all the way around to back flush. Okay, turn it around. And then you plug it back in. Okay, you'll see the glass will get a little dirty. I actually just back flushed this about 2 days ago. It shouldn't be too bad. All right, and it'll discharge out here. And you can see it's kind of greenish and dirty. So you let it back flush for about 3 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, about 3 minutes. Okay. And then after the 3 minutes, you unplug it. Boop. There's no sense in watching a 7-minute video. And you take the handle and you put it over to this side here, and this is into this notch here. You take this over and put it in this notch. Plug it back in, and then it'll backwash, and it'll keep doing the same thing. You do that for about a minute. And then after it backwashes, you unplug it again, and then you put it back into the notch that is pointed straight at the gas line here, or straight at my little shed, and then plug it back in. And then when you're done, if you hear after 7, it's going to be running, so you don't have to mess with the on and off here. But if you're on and it's turned off, then you're going to have to hit your little switch here, and then when you're done, just put it back to the timer spot. You can see the little clock, and you got to put it back to that clock so the timer goes back on. Okay. Thanks, Rob. Oh, and then I'm sorry. Yeah, just make sure the basket's cleaned out. You know, I'll make sure that the hose is out of the way, but that basket will get clogged up. Just dump it. You can dump it down into the, from the top down there. You can get up through this gate here easy enough. All right.